Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. Today's video is going to be very quick and simple. I'm using these nail tips from BTartBox, and it's this really pretty cat eye effect. Now, just from looking at the sheet, we clearly don't see what's going to happen, but just wait until the end of this video. I can't wait for you guys to see what this nail set is going to look like. Of course, it comes on a sheet with 15 sizes. Let's go ahead and hop into application.
I'm going to go ahead and start off with applying my dehydrator and primer. My nails are already pre-buffed, and then we'll go ahead and move right into application of the extensions.
Then I'm going to follow that up with my Model 1's nail primer, applying that to all of the nails as well, making sure to avoid the outer parts of the nail just because I want to make sure that it does not get onto my skin, because that can cause lifting. The gel glue that I'm going in with today is the solid one from BTartBox. This is something definitely newer that I was trying out because I was originally using the one in the bottle and then the one in the jar, but I really love the thickness of this. You have a little bit of time to kind of move around and adjust the extension before curing it on, which is great. As you can see, I'm going in and applying it at a 45-degree angle, pressing it down to make sure it's secure and that the glue completely filled all the way down to the free edge, and then I'm just flash curing that for 15 to 20 seconds. And this is what the nail is going to look like. I'm going to go ahead and repeat that process on all of the rest of my nails. Once all of the nails are applied, I'm going to go ahead and do a full cure for 60 seconds and then go in with a nail file to really clean up the edge and sharpen the shape, making sure that it's exactly to my liking.
Now I'm going to go in with a layer of the top coat. Oh, look at how pretty. Oh my goodness. The effect already. Wow. They did amazing with this cat eye design, honestly. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Before and after. Wow. Wow. I cannot believe that. That's so pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and finish applying the top coat. Now that we have the top coat applied, I'm going to go ahead and cure these for 60 seconds. Okay, you guys, this is going to be the final look. BTartBox did such a great job with creating this nail, especially with the cat eye effect. It is so pretty. I don't think I've ever seen one that's not a press-on come like this. So I'm really excited about these nails, especially wearing them more. They're honestly such a great go-to because they have that really pretty nude base. So they're good for any occasion. I highly recommend these nails. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys would like to see next. And I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.